In this video, I want to do a breakdown of the trades I took this week on XAUUSD. As for this trade, this was the trade I took last week. So if you do not know how I was able to cash this entry, go back to my last video. I explained why. Then for this week, I only took two trades. That's this one and this one. And as you can see, my first trade hit SL, while the second trade, which is 1:9, hit our take profit. Okay, so let me delete everything. I just want to analyze this buy, how I was able to cash this my buy trade here. Before I take any trade, I drop the update on all my social media platforms, as you can see on the screen above. So if you're not following me, please make sure to follow me so that whenever I drop my updates on my buy or sell position, you'll be able to enter and also make money with me. So as you can see, market was giving us what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then finally market was broke this high here. So the moment market broke this high, market was telling us that what? I'm no longer in a downtrend. I am in an uptrend. So I'm looking for more of buys now. So market continue giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and market pull back here. So when market pull back here, that's when I bought. The moment market was pulling down, market pulled down to 2 hours order block. To 2 hours what? To 2 hours order block. Like I said before, whenever market comes to 2 hours or 4 hours breakout block or order block, I go down to lower time frame to do for what? For confirmation. And when I see my confirmation, I buy. As you can see, market pulled down to this 2 hours order block. So when market, let me zoom in so you see it. Hope you can see this order block here, this order block here. So the moment market pulled down to this 2 hours order block, what I did next was to go down to my lower time frame for what? For confirmation. So where I got my confirmation was from 30 minutes. So let's go over to 30 minutes. This is my 30 minutes time frame. So let's analyze how I was able to cash the entry. As you can see, market was in a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. The market finally what? Took out what? This high. Market took out this high. I remember what I said. I said in a downtrend, market is not permitted to what? To take out highs. In a downtrend, market is not permitted to what? Take out high. So the moment market took out this high, I knew that what? I knew that gold was going to what? To buy. I knew that gold was going to buy. So the next thing is what? Is to look for my inducement. And just like I said inducement is what? Is a pullback. Is a pullback that the market did. And as you can see from this candle, you see a small pullback here. That's this week here. This pullback from this week is what? Is my inducement. So inducement is a pullback that the market did. So from this week here is what? Is my inducement. So after mapping my inducement, the next thing is what? Is to look for my what? My order block to enter from. My order block. And as you can see, this order block here was the order block I map out. This order block here. This order block here was the order block I mapped out, and as you can see, I waited patiently. I shared it on all my social media platforms that I'm expecting market to what? To buy from here, and all I did was what? To wait. As you can see, market came, tapped my entry, went halfway, and came back to my entry again and started what? Consolidating. So this is where discipline and trusting your setup comes in. For me, once I've made my analysis, I trust my setup. I doesn't care what the market is doing or what anybody is saying. So as you can see, when market was consolidating my entry, pulling up, pulling down again, I didn't close the trade until it hit what? Until it hit my what? TP. So this is how I was able to cash this buy on good this week. Hope you learned something.